Horses out, we have Mohicap Lady, pass to begin, Ilocos Magic, Aduana rushing about the outside now, racing eagerly for the ladies, Rumpire Fighter, the leader by about 2 lengths, Ilocos Magic in second, Danori inside third, Mohicap Lady, then followed by Jans Music, Aduana, Toyoto comes next, then followed over by number 3, Miss Magic Land, and on the outside, Paradiso and Milady's Lane is the early trailer. We have a Rumpire Fighter by about 3 lengths, and in second is Ilocos Magic, and in third Mohicap Lady, Chance Music in fourth, moving up Danori inside Peep, Aduana, Toyoto, Miss Magic Land, then followed by number 6 Paradiso, and a long way back to Milady's Lane, and it's still Rumpire Fighter, and on the outside is Ilocos Magic, racing in third Mohicap Lady, Aduana now trying to get closer in board. Then comes Jans Music, Miss Magic Land, Toyoto, Paradiso, and Milady's Lane as they come down at the last 150. And it's still a Rumpire Fighter by about 3 lengths. Moving up to take second, Mohicap Lady, Danori inside is Aduana, but it's still a Rumpire Fighter by about 6 lengths. Aduana in second, Mohicap Lady entering the finish line. It's all Rumpire Fighter. Second is Aduana, Mohicap Lady, then comes Ilocos Magic, Milady's Lane, number 6, Paradiso.
True enough, nag-improve na nga. Sabi natin kanina sa parada, we are expecting some improvement.